In this video, you will learn how to set up the DMARC Ionos. Log into your Ionos account, go to the Ionos website and sign in with your credentials to log into your account. Open the domain settings. In the dashboard, select the domain you want to configure, then click on the DNS settings. Add a new TXT record. Scroll through the DNS record section and choose to add a record, such as a TXT record. Enter the DMARC hosting name. In the host/name field, type _DMARC. Add the DMARC value. In the valuable content field, enter your DMARC policy, for example the one on screen. Then save changes. Click save to apply the new record and allow some time for the DNS to propagate. Now you know how to set up the DMARC Ionos. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.